welcome to our channel.
Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be doing a slime smoothie.
Which I don't really want to do because we make it.
But I made her do it so
I just don't want to do it with my pretty swords. The pennies. Yeah. Oh. So let me show you what slime I got. Here. Put it in this container.
Alright, watch out for this. Alright, let's start with the first and important slimes. So you guys,
I think that's where the water comes from.
me too.
Like,
Alright, let's put this like my favorite. The Dookie, the brownie, and a cupcake slime right here. Okay, that's our first one. And we're gonna get the latte. We should do the latte last. We got this rippy purple one.
yeah,
And we got this one. It's like my favorite. It's the jiggle cream.
yeah, we also
We
got
got more of the. We got chocolate chip and sprinkles,
yeah. I really want
some
to mix up this one.
cookies and cream,
Yeah, we got the cookies
and
No,
last
no,
and finally
no.
we got the frappuccino.
Yeah, we're going to have a little bit more because
I really like it. All right, let's start to
we still have some more stuff, and that's okay. Because
Where are all the slimes?
I don't know.
They all in the basement and in our closet.
Yeah.
But we're lazy, so
We don't really want to get it. Let me show you this now.
the frappuccino slime.
Yeah, we have also.
Yeah. So if you want some of the slime, go to the slime shop.
Yeah.
It's about to be in a link down below.
Yeah.
So we're about to open the merch store and the slime shop.
We told you like when we got our grandma. So
You
we
guys,
got
I don't really like this. It's starting to
We
get
got
like
these.
hard.
wait, let me show you.
Alright, Jenna, they don't want to see it right now. You can't show them all of it. Because that's the exclusives. And we got some cookies and cream kind. So,
Yeah. No, we can't show it. It's too big.
you guys, I actually like this because it has like a weird texture. At the beginning, once you start the book, it's like hard. But once you get to like right here, it's very soft. So I really like this one. Guys, look how amazing slime really is. It's just like, who is a slime? Let's do some ASMR, Jenna, shush.
I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.